Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how to join Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program and how to promote this program. So let's get started right now. So how to join Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program? Well, there's actually 3 ways, and one of these ways will guarantee you approval. Yes, you do need to get approved by them, and you don't always get approved. You know why? Because they don't want newbies to just come in here and don't know what they're doing and then wreck their kind of conversion rates, okay? So you really need to have some experience in digital marketing in order to get approved with the program. And because they are a digital marketing company specializing in this education, then it's really wise for you to actually learn from their actual platform and their courses in order for you to know how to promote this properly. Okay, so actually, first of all, I want to mention that anybody watching, if you think Legendary Marketer only teaches you to promote their platform, that is not true, okay? This platform is an online marketing education platform. So there are courses in there where you can learn about how to get traffic, how to use high-ticket affiliate marketing, how to build your own digital courses, how to create a coaching business, or even an event mastermind type business. All those different business models I just told you about are the core blueprints that they offer on their platform. And it's the natural progression of anybody who is coming onto online marketing space in this affiliate marketing business. So your progression is you do come in here and learn about affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is actually one of the easiest business models for any beginners to learn how to make money online. And that's why the blueprints are made this way, so that you can progress in your online business the way that most people do. So it's up to you what kind of topic or niche that you want to go into when you're building your online business. It could be fitness, it could be about pets, maybe you're a really good dog trainer and you could use this to market yourself online. So this is not just a program where you learn how to promote their courses. This is just one of the ways to make money with their education, okay? So I just want to get that out of the way. So now, why Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program? If you don't know a lot about it, I want to tell you that this is one of the best affiliate programs out there. In each affiliate program that I look into before I join, I always look to see if I could gain recurring commissions and lifetime commissions or high-ticket commissions. And guess what? They have all 3 components in their affiliate program. So this is amazing, this affiliate program. Not only that, the way their system is very beginner friendly, because you can start with their done-for-you funnels, but then you could also have a chance to customize those funnels if you wish, okay? So that's why it's beginner friendly, and that's why it's also for advanced marketers too, because you could customize it to your branding and everything, which is actually much better at conversions if you can do the customization. So joining this affiliate program is actually very good, and I know that it converts really well. I am an affiliate for the program, and I've been seeing the results, and I see the results for many other people as well. So who could join the Legendary Affiliate Program? Well, it is 18 and up, so no teenagers are allowed, sorry, but it is worldwide, and it is available for a lot of different countries. And there's a short list of countries that is not allowed, but I don't know exactly which countries those are, and you don't know until you actually join to see if you are eligible or not. So how to join Legendary Marketers Affiliate Program? The first way is through their website. So let's take a look. If you go to legendarymarketer.com, you come to this page, and on the very bottom, you see affiliates, okay? Now, going through this page and actually learning about the program is actually very beneficial for you. So you see here, there is 2 programs. There's a free affiliate program and a monthly one. You earn a lot more with the pro, obviously. Plus, you're going to earn multiple streams of income with pro, and you're going to get custom funnels with pro, okay? So, and then you see the percentages here, 5 to 30% versus 20 to 60%, so you earn a lot more. You click on this link, product referral plan here, then you're going to look at kind of the commissions that you can earn. And you could get on the leaderboard. So they have a leaderboard for affiliates who make the rank. So you want to rank up. Everybody starts down here, and then if you make $100 in commissions, then you are a bronze and you get a little certificate. And then when you hit 1,000, then you get the silver and you get another certificate. But when you start hitting $10,000 in commissions, you get an actual plaque that they'll send to you. This is newly introduced, and it's kind of fun to earn a gold plaque, 5-figure plaque, and then it keeps going until you reach diamond. And there's like 2 people that has reached the diamond. If you come down here, there's this chart here that shows the commissions for the pro account and for the basic account. So for the basic account, for the free affiliate program, you can earn up to $950 per sale. If you do the pro, you earn up to $2,850 per sale. Of course, those are going to be more rare because that's a $9,500 package. But these $1,000 commission ones and the $1,350 is actually happens more often than you think. And that's how we've been earning $1,000 days with this type of affiliate program. So this is where you can see links to actually go and apply from their website. However, if you are brand new, it's going to be really hard for you to get approved if you are a beginner, okay, from just joining through their website like that. The other way is to join through an affiliate like myself so that you can have support. And for me, you could use workanywherenow.com/best to join their 15-day online business builder challenge. And that's only going to be $7 for you to join. And when you go through that 15 days, after you go through it on the 15th day, you can then apply, and hopefully you will get a better chance at getting approved. I don't know if there's any space that you could tell them who you signed up with. Maybe because they recognize my name, maybe they will allow you to get approved so that you can have my support. So the most guaranteed way to get approved in the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program is through these steps. Step 1 is going through workanywherenow.com/best and get the 15-day online business builder challenge. Then step 2 is to get the business blueprint bundle that's offered to you within the first 7 days. I can't remember which day it is, but it's within the first 7 days, okay? This is where you have the chance to actually look at these products up here and not just buy one at a time, these blueprints, okay? You can't buy these blueprints at one at a time, but you're going to get a bundle actually that you can get offered where they include the affiliate program for you. And I don't know, they change like kind of the details all the time, so I don't know what's involved, but they make it a very irresistible offer, and I would highly suggest that you take this up. Now, the bundle is actually going to be about $2,500, and yes, it is an investment in yourself, but remember, if you do not know how to do digital marketing or how to market online or how to even promote this, then you need the education, okay? It's like, does a doctor turn into a doctor without education? No. It's like anything that you want to do in life, you need to learn about it. And the business blueprint bundle is the way to go. Okay. So invest in yourself is the $2,500 bundle, and they usually include the affiliate program, guaranteed approval. Why? It's because this is their advanced core training. So because you're buying the core training, they know that you can learn from their methods and the way that they do digital marketing, which is a very, very advanced way. You're going to get a bunch of support as well if you do join the blueprints. It is actually, you get coaching calls every single week. You have Matt Hetzel, sorry, Matt, if I pronounce your last name wrong, but Matt is a great teacher, and he works very closely with Dave Sharp, who is the founder and nine-figure entrepreneur who's been featured in entrepreneur.com and Forbes. So he is very legit, Dave Sharp. And then Matt works very closely with him, and Matt does a lot of the training as well for the blueprint customers. Okay, so it is very crucial for you guys to know how to promote it. So how do I promote it? Well, you're looking at it. I'm on YouTube. This is one way I promote it. I also promote it on TikTok, and I also promote it on my blog. So there are 3 ways that I use to promote it, but you could learn even more ways in the Business Blueprint bundle, okay? Because they're going to throw other things in there traffic wise. I'm sure they're going to give you something about traffic, because traffic is the number one thing that you need. No matter what you're promoting, it is crucial that you need that. So I really hope this information is helpful for you, and it is really the number one way to get guaranteed approval into the affiliate program for Legendary Marketer. If you join with me, workanywherenow.com/best. I do have a Facebook group, which is workanywherenow.com/FB group. It's all the links will be in the video description as well, so don't worry about it. I'm going to have it all down there. If you actually tell them that you signed up with me, I don't know, they may recognize me, they may not. I've been interviewed twice now by Dave Sharp himself, so you may have an advantage. You may have an advantage joining with me. I have no idea, but nothing is guaranteed by just joining affiliate. But getting that bundle will guarantee you. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online and learn more about affiliate marketing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see all my different videos so you can learn from. And if you have any more questions, please put them in the comments below. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Okay, bye.